Hello, everybody. How are you? Fine? Sounds great. Very good. Today we are going to work in our grammar part. But before we are going to sing a song. Okay? I need that you please stand up, listen, move your body, and sing along. Mr. Golden Sun Song. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
Okay, very good. It's a nice song. Excellent. Okay, we were seeing in the grammar part the possessive adjectives in the page number 70. Page number 70. Okay, we are going to make a little review. Possessive adjectives tell us to whom something belongs. We have the person, I, the possessive, my, you, your, she, her, he, his, it, its, we, our, and they, their. Okay, and we have some examples here in order to use these possessive adjectives. Okay, and we already checked our answers in our class online. Okay, we have to underline the possessive adjectives that you could find. Okay, excellent, very good. So we are going to put in practice our knowledge in the page number 71. Page number 71. Okay, what do you have to do is read the following sentences, leer las siguientes oraciones, write the correct possessive adjective, escribir el correcto adjetivo posesivo on the lines. Okay, use the word bank as a guide, utilizar el banco de palabras como guía, and remember to use capital letters at the beginning of the sentences. Okay, vas a utilizar, ¿qué? Yes, las mayúsculas al inicio de la oración. Muy importante. Ok, ¿qué tenemos en nuestro word bank? Tenemos his, their, our, her, its, your, and my. Ok, vamos a iniciar. Ok, estos son mis marcadores. Ok, llenas aquí con el adjetivo posesivo que corresponde. Number 2, a él no le gusta su chaqueta. Están hablando de él. ¿Cuál es el posesivo para él? Number 3, the dog is carrying a bone in. Ok, el perro está llevando un hueso en su boca, en la boca del perro. ¿Cuál es para el perro? Ok, number 4, those are not. Esos no son sus herramientas, su de ellos. Ok. Number 5. Su carro está parqueado aquí. Su de ella. Ok. Number 6. Where is. Ok. ¿Dónde está tu cuarto? Tuyo. De usted. Suyo. Number 7. Nuestra casa es pequeña. Nuestra. Okay. Page number 71. Writing skills. a la otra parte. Write 3 sentences using different possessive adjectives in each one. Look at the example. Escribe 3 oraciones utilizando diferentes adjetivos posesivos en cada una. Mira el ejemplo. Our classroom is very big. Remember that we were practicing in our class online. Okay, estuvimos practicando nuestra clase en línea. So if you have any questions or concerns, let me know by platform or by email, and I'm going to give you assistance as soon as possible. And remember, don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. No te preocupes por fallar. Preocúpate por no intentar. Okay, you can do it. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.